Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project billing system, and I have developed this project in PHP and MySQL. The version for the PHP I'm using is the PHP version 7 and the MySQL version is 5.6. And I'm running this project on the Jamf server for this is a web application, and for front-end development I am using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for form validations. For date calendar plugin integration, there is a slider running on the home page. We have used the jQueries. Right, so we are using these technologies for developing this billing system. Right. So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is billing system, and it's a PHP MySQL web-based mini project, right? Mini DBMS project. DBMS project because we means you can perform the database operations using the PHP in this project, right? So let's start with the functionalities. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple home page. This is the about us, right? This is static content. There is nothing dynamic on this page. If you want to change the content of this page, just open the about.php and you can change the content there. This is a login from where admin will be able to log in. This is a dynamic page, and if you don't have the user ID and password, then you will not be able to log inside the system. This is a contact us. This is the static contact us page, and I am not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I am not sending any type of email and SMS from this page. So it's a static form. So I am going to log in as admin. So the user ID is admin and the password is stashed. So once you log inside the system, you will get a dashboard. So this is the dashboard you can see, and this is the administration option. This same option is available here also, right? So let me go through one by one. Home I already explained you. About us already explained you. This is a dashboard, and this is the add item, right? So add item will be here also, right? So once you click on the add item, from here you will be able to add the any number of items here, right? So you can add any number of items from this page. This is add cells, from where you will be able to add the cells. So for cells, you need to enter the customer name first and the mobile number. Once you click on the continue to billing, you will get the sales dashboard, and just select the items. You can see the items are getting added inside the database, right? This is the bill number, this is the bill date, right? Each and everything is here, right? Okay. If you want to change the quantity, just change the quantity, and you can see the quantity is getting updated automatically, right? If you want to delete any item, just click on the delete button, and that item will be deleted from the database, right? Means that part. Once you click on the save and print, the whole information of this page will be saved into the database, and you will be able to find the details inside the sales history. So save and print. So you can see this has been saved, and you can print it also. Just click on the print button, and after that, once you click on the print button, then this page will be open in printable format and you can print it, right? Okay, so this is that item already explained you. This is ad sales. This is a report. So this is the item report. All of the items which you had into the database will be displayed here. If you want to edit any item, just click on the edit, and if click on submit, right? After updating the things, and that item will be updated into the database, right? If you want to delete item, just click on delete, and that item will be deleted from the database permanently, right? So just if you want to search item, just in sorry just enter the item name, and you will be able to search that item, right? This is a sales report. All of the cells which you have made will be displayed here. This is the last cells. Once you click on the view details, you will be able to see the details of sales with all of the sales items, right? This is a change password, from where you will be able to update your account password, right? And once you update it, you will be able to log inside the system with your updated password. This is a logout. Once you click on the logout, then all of your session will be destroyed, and you will not be able to access the internal administrator pages, right? So let me show you. Once you click on the logout, you can see administration option is not displaying, but if you log in, then administration option is displaying, right? So this header menu is totally session driven, and it's trending according to the session level, right? If admin is login, then it will render the admin menu. If it's not login, then it will render the normal menu, right? So this all functionalities I have developed inside this project billing system. And as I told you earlier, this is a PHP and MySQL web-based mini DBMS project, right? So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.